Hello, you guys. If you don't know who I am, thank you for clicking on the channel. This is Africa Cupcake coming to you with a new review. This review is about bacteria vaginosis, yeast infections, or anything like that that you have down there, or odor or some discomfort. This company contacted me to do a review on their product, and the company is called Real Organics. So you have these two products. One is an insert for your vagina, and the other one is an actual gel to insert into your vagina. So you will use this applicator. It comes with an applicator to insert this, like it will be a peel and it dissolve. And this will be the actual gel insert that you will put this applicator in and insert this into your vagina. So these two different products are two different, they're the same, but two different ways of you can insert it inside of you. So I'm going to give you a little bit of information about what is going on and why would you need this and what would you need this for. It promotes vaginal health, balance of vaginal pH. A lot of the things like soap, creams, chemicals, and even sex throw off the normal pH in the vagina. When the vagina pH is off, the vaginal issues such as yeast infections, odor, BV, itching may occur. The suppositories or the gel will balance out those pH balance differences. So what happened is when you insert it, we're going to see how long that you have to insert. Okay. Okay. For this one, it says insert 1 capsule into the vagina twice daily, morning and evening, to support the vaginal health. Now, I believe that even if you don't have any issues, that you can even use this to balance you out, and so you won't have any issues. And we're going to see how much for the gel insert. Okay. This one says use twice daily for up to 7 days if needed. So, like us girls, we be having little issues down there sometimes. And if we're having unprotected sex with our partner, or multiple partners, and there's nothing wrong with that. If you're having sex with multiple partners or your partner, your one partner, and he is ejaculating inside of you, it causes some type of odor or, some type of issues down there. So this will basically, help subside all of that. So one thing that I can say about this product, we're going to give you the pricing. Pricing is very important, which is cool about this company. You can buy it separate or you can buy it together. So if you buy the pills, the insert of the pills is $14.99. And if you buy the gel, it's $9.99. Now, guess what? If you buy them together, they're only $16.99. That is a big difference. So I think that if you purchase them together, you will basically save a lot of money. And you will basically, make sure you're taking care of yourself on a daily basis. So I hope you guys like this review. I always try to come to you ladies and give you the best ideas to keep you guys self healthy, because in life nobody want to tell you that you have a smell. They're gonna just let you go around smelling like fish or something. I don't know, but we definitely don't want that problem happening at all. We want to keep it cute and beautiful and like roses, and pineapples. And so this is Africa Cupcake. Subscribe, like, and even, let me give you one more thing. I'm so sorry. I'm going to have the details about how you can contact this company down below. So look for that. All right. Thank you, guys.